Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tiffani Beaston from Beauty and the Beastons, and I upload every single Tuesday and Sunday. And one thing that I really like to do on my channel is party preps. I throw all of my kids' birthday parties. I have 4 of them, and I like to do a majority of this stuff myself. So the first thing that you see right here is just a free printable that you can grab from my website, tiffanibeaston.com, and this is just like a little party planning worksheet that helps me keep track of everything while looking at it at a glance. Like everything is on one sheet. I can check off things that I need to do, and then on the day of the party, you're running around and just like trying to get everything done. And if you have 4 kids, you are probably losing your mind like I do. So it's nice to be able to look at this and just make sure you put everything out and that you have everything that you need. So one of my main pieces of decor at every party is a balloon arch with a background. So here's my balloon pump that I use from Amazon. It is amazing. Been using it forever. You can see in all of these little clips, we always just use this. It's very easy. You can plug it in, and there's also a little spot on this side for you to twirl up the cord and keep it inside of the balloon pump. So definitely suggest this. Been using it forever. One of the main things that I use for like a backdrop and as a main piece of decor is a balloon arch, and I use it 2 different ways. So I have one way where I make it with balloon tape, which I'm going to show you right here. I like this one because it has a singular hole, unlike this one here that has like the bigger hole and then the one hole that you pull it into. I just feel like I like the singular one was better and that they stay a little bit easier for me. And then the other way is an actual arch that has 2 clamps on it, so I usually attach it to a table, and that's like the perfect arch, whereas the ones with the balloon tape, you can kind of shape it to be the shape that you want to be. The hardest part with using the balloon tape is figuring out how to get it to stay up on your wall. So for me, I usually just tie it to my staircase and then tack it into the wall by tying ribbons in the spots that I want it to be held up at, and then tacking it or using electrical tape. So I'm going to show you both ways that I do it here. And then I'm also going to show you the little arch stand as well. It comes with little circular balloon holders that you just go ahead and add to the arch if you want that perfect shape. Thing I wanted to make note of is that for all my parties, I always use my kids' number that they're turning right over top of my oven. I just think it looks cute, and it's just something that I've always done. So I wanted to share that little tip as well, and then you can always have your kid take a picture with the number. This is bundt cake pan. It worked out great if you're trying to make a snake cake. And then obviously it's just good as it is as a bundt cake as well, but this particular brand worked really well. I'm just going to give you a little overview of that cake just so you can see what I'm talking about. These are also a favorite of mine. These are the Wilton 6-inch round cake pans. So I'll use 2 boxes of cake mix for this and then just make a higher layered cake. So you'll be able to see the height here in a second. I've used these for a unicorn cake. I've used these for all different types of cakes, but you'll see here in a second. But first I wanted to show you these little fondant cutouts. I use these for fondant and they work really well. You'll see here on the bottom of this Roblox cake that I made. And then this is also about the height that those 4 little cake pans will make for you. I also love these little balloons. They come in all different colors and they just add something really cute to your cakes. So I've been through my fair share of cake decorating kits. This one I love because it came with the little stand, like the turntable for you to icing your cake on. But here's just some of the cakes that I made. This was a baby shark cake, but this is the tips that came with that. And then I'll also show you another set that I really like that comes with like a little scraper as well. Next party must-have is this Wilton Candy Melts chocolate melting pot. It really works so great. I've done so many different methods of melting chocolate. The main one that I've used is like in the microwave or in the double boiler, and nothing works as good as this chocolate pot. It just is also made of silicone on the bottom, so it's very easy to clean as well. Another little party tip that I have is to use acrylic stands. So I use this acrylic stand for cake pops or these little chocolate dipped Oreos, but if they're acrylic, they're clear, so you can use them for any event and you don't have to worry about buying different colors to match your theme. Clear is where it's at. So I'm just going to show you this, my cupcake stands, and my cake stands, and I'm going to have everything linked down in the description box below, so don't worry about any of that. I also have little donut and bagel stands here as well. I have 2 summer birthdays, so I love this inflatable salad and serving bar. You just fill it up with ice and it's perfect. And then sticking with our clear theme here, I use clear chip bowls for chips, and there's a little dip spot in the middle of it as well. It's actually 2 containers, so it's like a larger bowl and then a smaller bowl. And then this is also great for beverages. And then you can also see here that I have a clear napkin and utensil holder. I love having that because people just know where everything is. They don't have to ask you because it's just sitting out nicely. Can't talk about party must-haves without my Cricut because I use this thing for everything. I use it for organizing, labels, and all of that, but I use it for birthday parties and holidays. I just feel like I've definitely gotten the full use out of this. I was able to make my daughter's dreams of a unicorn taco party come true. Just a couple of things that I made on the Cricut for parties in the past. Also, when you're watching this, today is like Amazon Prime Day. Did you guys get any good deals? If you did, let me know what you got down in the comments below. So this is also great for parties. This is just a yard sign. I loved the size of it. It worked out perfectly for having an outside party, or even if you're doing an indoor party, it's cute to put in the front yard. Nobody can miss your house. And then another thing that I always get from Amazon are my backdrops before I make balloon arches. I always match my balloons to my backdrop, and that's always like what people will take pictures in front of at our parties and holiday parties. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video and that it gave you some ideas and some things to shop for on Amazon that will help you out for your home parties in the future. And then also don't forget to check out, I have a whole playlist of different holiday and party preps that I think you would enjoy. Also, let me know if you'd like to see like a party prep marathon. I would love to make that video for you. It's just where you attach all your party videos together and make one really long upload. So let me know if that's something you'd like to see. And thanks again for watching.